No audio device is installed. How did I fix this issue? Okay, first step, go to our Windows icon, right click on it, then click on Device Manager right here. Okay, here we have all the drives of our computer, okay? And what you will do is looking for sound device here, and then right click on it and you click update your drive. The next step is click browse my computer for drive. Click here and make sure this box is marked, okay, show compatible hardware, and then we click next. Yes, Windows has successfully updated your drives, okay? And check if your audio is working right now. The next step, you have to restart your computer, as you see here. I will not restart my computer right now, but you have to do this. And if you have other options of drive here, of sound drive here, we'll do the same thing. Right click on it, update your drive, and follow the same step. Hey guys, but if none of this method work, try this with Luan.
We'll move on to the second way. You're going to install a program here, which is called Drive Booster. Why install this program? Because it automatically finds missing drives on your computer or laptop. You're gonna type Drive Booster. You are going to choose here Drive Booster for Windows, and then get the most recent version. Just click in download. When it's finished download, just click to open. Be attentive during the installation to avoid installing unnecessary programs, because typically these programs come with a lot of others. So during the installation, you're gonna see some options that might be attempt to install additional programs. It's a red marker to install iTop VPN and iTop Screen Recorder. So you're going to click here and here to mark. Again, asking for something to download or to subscribe, and you're going to click no thanks. And now the installation is completed. And once the installation is completed, you're ready to proceed. Now you're going to click here to check the update. So you're going to click on scan now, but before mark the learn more option. And now it will scan your computer and show which drives are missing or outdated. You can then update those drives. The program will download the drives and then install them automatically. And at the end, it will likely ask you to restart your computer or laptop. And that's it. I hope I helped you with any of those methods. And if any of those methods worked for you, please leave a comment below. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. And I see you in the next video.